मैं एक इनोसेंट शांत भोली भाली लड़की थी जिसका ना कोई पास था, कभी ना लव स्टोरीज, ना कोई मेल फ्रेंड्स। मैं एक ऑर्डिनरी फैमिली से थी। 11th में मैंने कुछ करने का सोचा, खुद के लिए बहुत सी चीजें सोची और डी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करने लगी। ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई के साथ मैं और चीजों में इन्वॉल्व होने लगी। प्रिपरेशन के लिए मैंने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स ज्वाइन किए। रैंडम बच्चे मैसेज कर देते थे और मैं भी इग्नोर कर दिया करती थी या ब्लॉक कर देती थी। कुछ लोगों से कभी बातें भी हो जाती थी और बस अपनी ही छोटी सी दुनिया में रहती थी। एक सिंगल मैसेज आता है, फ्रॉम अमन हाय, और फिर मैंने भी रिप्लाई कर दिया। मुझे लगा ये भी बाकी जैसे ही होगा, इसलिए मैंने कुछ सिली सा लिख दिया। मैंने कहा, डोंट थिंक आई एम अ गर्ल, आई एम अ बॉय, दिस इज अ फेक आईडी। बट ही सेड डजंट मैटर, बॉय या गर्ल फ्रेंड तो फ्रेंड होता है। मीको बातें अच्छी लगी उसकी, एक जेंटल फ्रेंडशिप हो गई हमारी। ही टोल्ड मी हिज स्टोरी। उसका रिसेंटली कुछ टाइम पहले हाई ब्रेकअप हुआ था एंड एट दैट टाइम ही हैज नो इंटरेस्ट इन लव एनीमोर। He talked like a friend. He never crossed line. Time बीता, photos exchange हुई. When I saw him for the first time, I find him a little sweet and cute. 4 to 5 months बीते, Aman is still my friend. We live approx 500 kilometers away. हम बहुत सारी बातें शेयर करने लगे, फ्रेंडशिप और भी अच्छी हुई और टाइम के साथ साथ हम एक दूसरे से बातें करना बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा। Time passed away. One day he disappeared. Bihar was shut down. No network, no message, no good morning, no study well. Phone screen shows last seen long ago. I kept checking again and again. My books were open, but my heart was restless. That day I realized I lied him. After 2.5 days a message arrives. Aman said everything was shut down. I couldn't message you. I smiled. I blushed. I felt कितना मैटर करने लगा है ये मेरे लिए। अभी तक बस हमारी ऑनलाइन मैसेजेस PR हाई बातें हुई थी। एक दिन ऐसे ही हमने वॉइस कॉल करने का सोचा। I was in my room, कॉल कनेक्ट हुई। अमन शायद था थोड़ा, he said with shyness age. Hello, ने laughing, why are you so quiet? Speak more PR। ज्यादा बातें नहीं हुई हमारी पहली बार कॉल PR। He was so introverted. I spoke. He listened. That silence also felt safe. Time passed. हमारे 12th के जी एग्जाम आ गए एंड एट द डे ऑफ एग्जाम मैं ऑफलाइन हो गई फॉर अ डे। 24th January. When I returned he was different and he just said वापस कभी ऐसे इतने टाइम के लिए नहीं जाना। Sad stories लगाता था, मेरे से बात नहीं करता था। On 2nd February he sent something and deleted it. At 3rd February night, I said please tell me what you sent that night. He said you were asleep. I said बहुत बार पूछने के बाद he said I'm falling in love with you. I don't want to lose you. I freeze for a minute, quite scoffed, happy a kind of, scared a little, all at once. He said Deepti can you call me and also propose me? I tried so hard but I failed again and again to say these words. Finally he called me and said Deepti, I love you. I love you so much. Heartbeat was so fast. That night, I said yes and the world became brighter. I can't explain those feelings in words. And उसी रात पहली बार वीडियो कॉल हुई approx 1.5 years बाद first video call. I was in a pink sweater, messy ponytail, Aman smiling, and I was blushing so much. We had so much beautiful talks together and then that night he kissed me through the screen first time and everything felt beautiful. वो उसकी बातें सब अच्छा लगता था। End card. Some stories begin with once upon a time. Ours began with high. 3 to 4 months passed away with him very smoothly. And then that was the time to take admission in colleges. I got admission in Rajasthan, a campus so strict where girls couldn't even step outside. No boys, no freedom, and no Aman। सारी चीजों से फ्री होके मैं उसे कॉल करती हूँ। Both were sad but at the end it's all about destiny. We had never met, not even once, and now we were separated by fate। हमारा टाइम ऐसे ही बीतने लगा, कभी मुझे टाइम मिलता तो मैं कॉल करती और कभी वो दोनों अपने अपने लाइफ में बिजी रहने लगे थे। Approx after 1 month later, life whispered something new. I opened my laptop and suddenly saw a notification of offer letter from another college placed in Greater Noida. I was happy because I wasn't happy in that college and just want to leave that place। Till that time I didn't even knew that मेरे पास जिस कॉलेज से ऑफर लेटर आया है अमन भी उसी सिटी में just 5 kilometers away रहता है। And FIR किया, I convinced my family to take admission in Greater Noida. I fought, I requested, message appears on Aman's phone, I said I'm coming to Greater Noida, and he was just so happy after knowing this from 500 kilometers. We came to just 5, obviously again it's all about destiny. After so much struggles I finally got admission in Greater Noida. He want to meet on my birthday but in excitement we take decision to meet on 2nd September. I walked down the stairs. I looked left, right, then forward. Aman standing there, pink t-shirt, black cargo, smiling. When I saw him first time my heart beats are actually beating so much my legs are stopped working but still बहुत हिम्मत करके I decide to take a step forward. The boy who lived in my phone, now standing in front of me. They walked toward each other slowly. Literally every step felt unreal. Every breath like a dream. After walk a few distance, Aman stops, hands me a bracelet. That touch while putting on a bracelet in my hands. First meet with him. We sit in a park together. He knows I like momos so much so वो जेक मेरे लिए momos लेके आया। We shared momos. We didn't talk so much even it was first time meet still we just shared silence, shared smiles. And then after a short meet we said bye and didn't even had a handshake because it was also a big deal for us at that time. We were so much nervous and love finally had a shape. One day I got lost in a market, battery dying, and then call connects. I sighed to him, Aman, can you please come and get me after a while? Bike stops in front of me. He said, hold me properly. I wraps my arms around him. I was so scared but blushing at the same time. That ride was short but unforgettable. He opens his arms and said, come here. We hug each other. That was really an unforgettable moment for us. We felt home in each other. Still we spent very less time with each other, but after some time we decided to go on a movie. In a quiet theater we both were enjoying the movie, then suddenly he held me close and kissed me. I froze for a moment, grabbed his shoulders so tightly. And then after some time everything feels normal but beautiful. That was also a memorable day for us. Time passed and we were really happy together. Both were busy in our work, enjoying our college life. Then one day he called me to meet again. Then we talked for a while and then he said, close your eyes. He slides a ring onto my finger. It was really a big deal for me. Again I was shocked but so much happy at the same time. He gave me a promise in the shape of a ring. That was really unforgettable day for me. Recently he also bought a ring for himself so that I can put that ring in his fingers. Later DP puts a ring on Aman's finger. From a high on Telegram to sharing rings, that was really a very beautiful journey with him.